Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys I'm going to give my full review of the HW22 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing my full review of the HW22 Smartwatch after 1 week of use. So I actually unboxed this one guys last week, and I'm going to give you my full review or my opinion about this smartwatch, if it's good to buy or not. Alright, so I'm going to give you my pros and cons of this smartwatch. So let's start first with the pros guys. So the first thing that I would like to share about this watch is that the battery is great. So I've never had a smartwatch before that could last for around 2 weeks with this kind of price range. Maybe there is, but it can be a little bit expensive, but in this price range for around $20, this one is a really good buy. Yes, so I unboxed this one last week, and until now the battery percentage is still at 51%. So this is for standby mode guys, so it means I actually did not sync this one to my smartphone. Well, there were times like 2 days that I had it synced, but because I didn't really need to have it connected, then I just used this one in a standby mode. And until now, up until now guys, it's the 7th day, it is still has the battery, so it's a good thing guys. Now another good thing about this product is the lock screen. So before, I actually did not really notice much about the lock screen, but this one is pretty good guys, especially if you want to conserve the battery. So all you have to do guys is you're going to tap this one here, and it says your screen is locked. Whenever you use the watch, then you cannot really accidentally turn on the watch, I mean browsing the menu or accidentally touching the other features. Yes, so it's a very good feature guys. So for you to unlock, just have to long press this one for 3 seconds and you can now use your smartwatch. Now the next thing guys is the lift to bright or raise to wake feature of this HW22 smartwatch. So I'm going to show you guys, and I will let you know how good it is when it comes to its responsiveness. Alright, so I'm gonna test now guys the lift to raise of our HW22 smartwatch. So as you can see, okay, it's very good, like it is very responsive. Yeah, it's turned off and then turned on. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna give you now the cons. So the first thing is that I'm concerned about is the unavailability of the watch face in the app smartwatch. I mean, in my previous watches, I could just easily change the watch face by just changing by just turning the crown, but in this case I can only access the watch face via the application on your smartphone. So that's one of the negative about this watch. Now thing is the UI. So although that the UI is somewhat the typical, I just feel that it's a little bit slow, so I think there is room for improvement when it comes to its UI. Yes. And the last guys is the paid watch faces. So I was quite surprised when I look into the watch face on the smartphone application. Some of those nice watch faces are not available for free. So I am thinking that hopefully in the future there will be updates, and you know, the company will also try to make other watch faces available for the consumer. But other than that, you can still install free watch faces, but they are just limited. Okay, so I think guys, those are just my pros and cons of the watch face. Now my verdict for this watch, if it's good to buy, then I can say it's a yes for me, because when it comes to the battery, I can use this one for almost 2 weeks for in standby mode, and just by lifting just to check the time. Yes. And but if you use this one for daily use heavily, like syncing to your messages and notification, then it can be okay, but the battery might not last really for a long time. Yes. And for the design and for the quality, it's not much to complain. Okay guys, so for me it's a good buy. Okay, if you have any questions guys, just comment down below. And then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest uploads. Once again guys, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.